So y'all, Valentine's Day, man, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, everybody got these, you know, some people buy their girls cars, houses. Of course, I'll do the same if I had the funds at this moment. It's up here, but not manifested in reality yet. Anyways, I got a little present from my girl. Says, "You're the best nurse there is, boo, but you got a scent for me," with some smiley faces. But she's been wanting an ID reel. Okay, so but I added a little twist to it. I added like a little photo of me. She took this actually. I don't know if she's gonna like it or not, but hey, this is hilarious. Excuse my crusty nails, but you know, peep it. Yeah, it's like an ID reel. Boom. Alright, we're back. So, y'all just saw what it was. Let me put this back in the thing. So, I'm gonna end up putting it in this small box here. So I'm gonna wrap, obviously one of those things, you know, where it's like a big box, open it in a smaller box. Y'all know the vibes. I'm gonna put this in here. And I'm gonna box it up 3 times. And she's cooking today for Valentine's Day, and then we're just gonna go out this weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna present it to her this tonight. She'll like it. I think she would. I think it's hilarious. So, you know, let's get to this process. Alright, should I take this side? I love this one. Look at that. It's ready. Second box done. That'll work, that'll work. What's up, Chef Lexi?
Hi, Chef Lexi.
What we got today for Valentine's Day?
Babe, it's not ready yet. Hold on. Let me put it on the plate.
Alright, bet. That girl done. That girl done.
Did you hear me?
Hey, hold up. If y'all seen.
I forgot the cheese.
What cheese?
The cheese I always put on it.
If y'all seen the video, y'all seen what it was. Y'all think she's gonna like it or not?
Babe, no wait.
Put it in the section below.
What it is?
Yeah, I recorded it earlier. I recorded me wrapping it.
Babe, I forgot the cheese.
But if y'all, let me know what y'all think, man. If she's gonna like it or not. Dude, I need a haircut. I am getting a haircut.
I'm just gonna use this other cheese and we're just gonna act like it's right, okay?
What you got over there? This ain't no
Today,
boomerang.
We have some farm crusted chicken.
Ooh.
Made by Chef Lexi. Happy V-Day.
You a different type of girl. Cause usually guys be, you know what I'm saying, doing stuff for the girl. That girl different. Okay then, ready to eat. Bet. My girl got me some chocolate. It was pretty good. It's been a while since I had some, so a nice cheat day.
Should I open it right here?
Whatever you want, boo.
Is it something that I can wear?
Yes.
I can?
You can.
Okay. Can I wear it in the next month?
Yes.
Is it shoes?
Just open the thing. Are you gonna open it or not?
It's too late to be
Dang,
shoes.
the chocolate kind of good. Let me just eat this whole thing. You know me, I don't like to keep holding stuff. Hang on. Here, I'm gonna tear it down. Cause it.
What?
Here. Get closer a little bit. You didn't like it?
I
always do the 2 boxes, so I never know what it is.
Oh, you didn't rate my wrapping skills.
I give your wrapping skills a 9.
Give me a look. I don't know. I'm gonna find out. What is it?
Another box! What were you doing?
Those were snowflakes. They already saw that.
Oh, you already saw it? What is
It
this?
was a design. Like, it was like a little accent. You know, I'm resourceful, you feel me? What is it?
Another box.
Okay, open it.
What is this tiny little thing?
What is it? What is it?
God,
What
are
is
you
it?
serious?
Read the message first. Read the message first. Hurry up, I was about to die.
You're the best nurse there is, boo. But you got to simp for me.
Look, what is it? What's the present? What is that?
It's Jane and Joe.
Is that an ID real? The one that you've been waiting for? Ah, now I'm on your chest. I'm gonna be in your chest for real. You feel me? I'm gonna be closer. Yeah. Look at that. Yes, sir. Who that is right there? Who that is? It's Jane and Joe. Hold on. Zoom, mother trucker. Yeah, that boy kind of clean. Yes, sir. All right, rate the rate the gift 1 out of 10. Say 10 out of 10.
So you didn't buy the one that I asked?
Bye.
I'm just kidding.
What's up, y'all? This side feels this. I just got my tooth extracted because of a cracked tooth that caused an abscess. What the fuck? That look funny as hell. But yeah, so I had an abscess on my tooth right here in the back part, and just got it removed. This shit, I look retarded. What the hell? But yeah, so well, yeah, I'm just studying some games or some routes per se for pool. But I just want to give y'all this funny, golly, bruh. Yeah, painful. Oh, it doesn't really. I can feel the stinging. But yeah, gonna be playing in Alabama soon, so y'all tune in. I'm gonna play in the big tournament over there in Birmingham in ICB, I think, Iron City Billiards. So it'll be lit. So I'm gonna get ready for that, you know what I'm saying? Practicing, studying. So when it's time to play, it's time to play. And I'll be ready, you know? Let's go. I know y'all see that cut. Man, shout out to my dog Ben, man. He recorded like the full haircut too. We were just chopping it up. We got like a mic on. But hopefully he can give me that file, but it's a pretty big file, so we'll see if I can include that on here. Anyways, the A6000, Sony A6000 finally came through. So let me go ahead and try to set this up on Elgato and OBS, and then I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I finally got the dummy battery and the, what's today by the way before we start? February 16th, I finally got the dummy battery and the micro HDMI cord. Oh, by the way, yesterday, February 15th, was the anniversary of the good old Gandhi, and yeah, it's lit. But yeah, I'm about to go set up this camera, and we'll see what the stream looks like.
After some configurations, the laptop right here. Of course, it's not set yet. So I wanted to set up the camera with a light, and yeah, it's a bunch of wires all over the place. But look at this quality, though. Super clear. Let me try streaming right now. All right, My face, there's a little delay, so my face should pop up here in a second. Look at that quality, man. Dang, I'm gonna show y'all the older live stream. Live. Look at this. This is the recording that I did yesterday. Look, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's so blurry. Look, you can't even see my face. Hold on. I know it's kind of hard to tell from this camera, but it's the quality is so poor. Let's see. Like, it just looks terrible. Y'all can see it on my channel, YouTube, at Jane and Joe. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get it.
Produce, mix, master, engineer, written by